Okay, so bakit ang hina ng boses ko pag nagre-record ako kahit nakadikit na yung bibig ko sa condenser microphone? Okay, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano natin mapapalinaw at mapapa-improve yung bukas natin para magmukha siyang pro. Okay, so ito na yung BM800 na may kasamang phantom power. Lagyan natin ng full echo. So titingnan natin ba. So ito na, make sure kapag kakanta ka, meron tayong yung pop filter para hindi masyadong malakas yung impact ng hangin na lumalabas sa bibig natin papunta sa condenser microphone. So itry natin. So ito siya. Sana hindi ako makapiright dito.
Change my answering machine now that I'm alone, 'cause right now it says that we can't come to the phone, and I know it makes no sense, 'cause you walk out the door, but it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous, it's been months of frozen reason I just can't get over us, and I'm stronger than this. Enough is enough.
Okay, so hanggang dun lang yung test natin. At least, so pwede na kayong mag-record like pro. So, yun. So, sana nagustuhan nyo yung ating BM800 with phantom power test.